Hey guys, I'm now at SM Mall and first time going to IKEA and so very excited to see this for the first time. Here we are, IKEA Philippines. Going to Moa Square first. We're inside Moa Square. So excited to see this new IKEA branch, first IKEA branch in the Philippines. Lots of interesting shops going to the way to IKEA over here. Many home related services. Balcony garden, nice. A lot of IKEA competitors. And here we go. IKEA. Oh my gosh. First IKEA branch in the Philippines. Very excited to see what's in store for us here. Let's go. Now at IKEA. IKEA. Alright, fortunately you need a vaccination card to get in. I'm glad we have that card. Alright, we're in. And here's the famous entrance. I've already seen this on some local vlogs here in the Philippines, so yeah, first time. Look at that. So amazing. Let's go. It is very nice. Our lowest price. Now we're on to the showroom. Yeah, this place is so big. Got some lockers. Scanning the code. Alright, here's some menu that they got. Big salmon. Oh, this, the one I'm very excited to try, the Swedish meatballs. Hey guys, that was actually the end of the video. We didn't got to stay there much in IKEA, and right after we eat, we just left. And that is it for my one-day stay in Manila. And I hope you guys enjoyed my recent vlogs. If you want to see me vlog more, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!